Hello. Welcome everybody to July 29th stream for Gift. I'm gonna do some live Forex trading analysis again. Might have some good moves today. It's Fed news day, so Fed news is at 12. Might just have a range until then, because usually when there's a Fed news day, it's kind of slow until that time. But we could probably pick out one or two moves potentially. But yeah, other than that, let's get started here. Now we have a message at the bottom right of the screen too. Stream is only meant for educational purposes. I think the stream over time will get better. As we get used to using Streamlabs, used to every feature on there, it'll get better. All right, let's do this. So let's look at gold. Gold had that sell off in the run up during New York session. Kind of made like a little range right now on gold. It's between these two levels, pretty well defined. I'm gonna actually get rid of those two levels right now. But yeah, it's gonna be like this until the Fed news, and that range is actually quite big, I think. Yeah, it's like a 120 pip range. So I don't think I'm gonna trade it too much, because like if I'm on the wrong side, you can be offside quite a bit. Especially on the 30-minute, you can see that sometimes it wicks lower, kind of pushes you out. So it's not, my opinion, it's not really worth it to me to trade it. Silver had a nice move, I guess at like 530 when that shut up. What cents is that? 12 cents. Yeah, that's the strategy cent. Yeah, I think it's gonna be stuck like this for a little while until the Fed news, and that's in like 6 hours. So that's usually what happens with these commodities, or I mean metals, especially on Fed news day. USD CAD, maybe third time's a charm for this one, eh? Once again, we've been trying to get this higher level up here. It's not been panned. I mean, it's worked. I've got some good trades. It's been some pretty good ones on there. Let's go from the month down. Monthly is bearish. Definitely hit a support on the monthly. Weekly's hit a pretty big support as well. Daily, if this daily starts flipping bullish, so I guess at the 80 level, then we have potential to actually finally hit my 134.20 level. So we're gonna look at 133.80 on this 4 hour. Ooh, 4 hours on a nice support right now. So the big thing on the 4 hours, anything above 135 or 133.75 is bullish. Anything below is bearish. So we're gonna keep that in mind on the 4 hour level. And to be honest, I am pretty bullish on it just because it's hit support, and usually when it does this, it has a correction sort of move. So these are the levels we'll be looking at, for example, maybe up to here and then eventually up to here. So that's the one move on the USD CAD that I'm looking at. I've been looking at this since the start of the week, to be honest. So I think I'm gonna punch it on that. The best long on this was about 430. Right when I created that support, but it is what it is. Sorry, I was just checking GJ, seeing Raja's analysis. He had the longs on that. Good calls by Raja. Shout out to Raja to 136.60. It's almost there too. So, but yeah, this has to go above, I think, 133.80 area for confirmation on the bullish pattern. We'll see how this reacts though. We have two strong bullish closes. Stop would probably be below the hour candlestick. 4 hours going bullish too. I think like the next 4 hour, the 7 o'clock to 11 o'clock, we get another bullish one. But obviously we'll wait and see for that. Pound USD. Pound's just straight. It's just been bullish this whole week. We had bullish analysis on Saturday for the pound, just because of the week finish bullish. We didn't even get a lower wick, which is surprising. Just been continuously going up past a few days. Slowly but surely. Pound CAD, same thing. This is the buys that we had buys originally, and then we got faked out. But as you can see, the buys were the play on Pound CAD. Euro USD kind of hit resistance, eh? I guess the break of the bullish structure would be if it broke the 117 level, then it has potential to go like 116.50 area. So that might be a nice play. How did daily? Yeah, daily's starting to reject too. So if this daily goes bearish, we have room to actually correct the move and go a little bit further down on Euro USD. I'm sure Chad has some more insight on that when he comes online. Let me see where he's at. Yep, I just messaged him. We'll see what he says. There he is. He'll be coming on soon. USD CAD, what you gonna do? High lower wick. Honestly, you would want to see a bullish flip on the daily candle for continuation upwards. That'll be more confirmation on the trade. Give me more confirmation on the trade, for example. Yeah, this bullish run up though. That's the one thing I'm looking at too. This bullish run up. You might even get like a little move down before continuing higher. So we'll see how that goes. I'll map out the trade in a bit here. 1 second. The black bull. There it is. I mean, it's still good per se. 15 minute, I don't really look at that. 30 minutes, what I really look at. 30 minutes kind of having to pull back on the hour. We would want to see another higher low over here for its continued move upwards. But again, we have to be patient for that. Maybe it has to go down, create a support, and then continue upwards. But yeah, like I said, any break below the 40 level, that's a sell. And anything above is going to be a buy. So I think that's a few things we're going to be waiting for. On USD CAD, I'm going to look at the metals again in a second here. Oops. So let's look at gold again. Yeah, see, gold's in this range, and it's going to be in this range. Same with silver too. Yeah, silver's going to be in this range until the Fed news. So silver and gold are not tradable until Fed news. Just from experience, it always does this. On Fed news day, it usually kind of consolidates like that. Pound CAD or pound USD. Pound USD has just been strong. Pound's been really strong. I guess the UK recovery has been pretty strong. So positive Brexit news, weak US dollar, making pound USD the trade. Euro USD, yeah, Euro USD's at that support we were talking about. If it breaks below, then you know where it's gonna go. Yeah, pound CAD's strong. So I'll look at a few other things. Did it hit 60? Did not hit 60 yet. But this will probably hit 60. The weekly wick fill. It's heading there too, so see how that goes. I think it will at the end of the day. Hit the 60s area. Shout out to Roger for that. Even posted on his Instagram story. That was a good trade. He knows GJ like he knows the back of his hand. Got into a position on USD CAD at 62. So right now I'm at 62, stop losses here, and I'm still gunning for that 20 level. I feel like we're gonna hit it. I don't know when we're gonna hit it, but I feel like it's just that gut feeling I've had all week that 134.20 and even further is gonna be hit. Oh, whoops, I forgot to put the live stream on the website. Give me a moment. Put that on the website right now. Be quick. Perfect. Now the stream's on the website. So yeah, let's look at the website for everybody here. And JenkoInstituteForTrading.com. Got your nice little logo, cover art, mission statement, getting started, site content, or you can go to like all these other ones. Still working on it. You're gonna have some blog posts on that soon. If you want to go home, you can. All these things work. Let's say you want to go live stream. Live stream is up July 29th. Drop by, leave a comment. Everything seems to be working pretty nice actually. Daily recaps. Yep, recaps are here too from our trades. Got a little about us. Oh, what? My picture got messed up. Give me 1 second. Weird. I've taken another picture to be honest, but weird. I don't know what happened there. I'm gonna have to fix that picture. Give me a moment. See if this one works. This is why it's good to review the website every once in a while. See anything that happens like that, right? Weird. What happened there? Give me a second. Why is it so zoomed in? I'm so confused. Alright, well the pictures got messed up. Gotta change those now. Oh, look at that. USD cat shoots up too. What a beautiful trade. Still in it. Still in it. wonder if Chan's on. Give me a sec. See if he's here. Invite. No, you ain't on yet. Once again, I'm in the USD CAD trade. I'm in it from 62. Stop loss below this level. TP, obviously I want my target up there. I'll map it out in a moment. I kind of want to fix these pictures on the website first. I don't know what happens there. That's interesting. But yeah. Yeah, honestly, very weird what happened to the website on About Us. Give him a few options on this. Yeah, I really don't know what happened on there, but you know what? I think I can fix it. Just need the gray background, whatever color this is. I'm gonna need that background color. I actually know how to fix it. But yeah, other than that, we're in this trade. Actually, let me just map it out for everyone viewing in. 62. So we're in at 62. Stop loss 40. I edit those levels. Entry point 62. Stop loss 40. take profit. I do expect it to hit the 20 level today, so we'll see how that goes. As for why I'm in the trade, same reasonings if you follow the past few days, pretty much the exact same reasonings. So we have, I'll draw an arrow here, support, bullish momentum. And then this whole area is correction over here. So let me write it down for everyone to view it in. Big monthly, actually, since we saw that too. Weekly, daily support where price has respected. Looking for a correction of the sell-off / long-term target of retesting 135 with profits being taken at levels in between. That's how we draw the levels, so we can have it bullish. Where's two? Yeah, $2 space. Bullish momentum after a support was created during London session. Looking for NY volume to push price further up to test the highs and potentially break. All right, that's another one right here. We're gonna go, the trade is to levels, trading to levels and potential tests of levels as per analysis on Saturday, as well analysis given on Monday and Tuesday. I don't need narrow there. So yeah, that's basically it right there. We'll see how that turns out. Other than that, I gotta fix these pictures. It's doing some weird things right now. It's a big face shot, eh? What's the dollar index doing? Dollar index had a little move up too. US 30 oil. Yeah, I think it's gonna be slow until the Fed news, to be honest. Might have to take it easy for the rest of the day. Yeah, see, gold, this is what I was talking about when I first came out on the stream. Yeah, the initial move up, and then you have that push down, creating a lower wick than the previous, like, 2 hours, 2.5 hours, and then the next one you have a little push up. I don't know if it's news related. Is it news related? No, not really news related. So that was the one thing there. USD cat. It's still good. I like that bullish move up, but we'll see how that goes. It is a slow day. Well, 7 o'clock is coming up. End of the 4 hour, sorry, the new 4 hour. Might be some volatility in that aspect. But we'll see how that turns out. Whoa, why is the background color different? Weird. Strategy works though. I know how to fix it. We good. The background color is different. Quick fix, easy fix. Let me just do that real quick. consolidating quite a bit. For USD CAD, I like the push up at the end of the hour though. We got 1 minute left, but it has like a nice push up, which I quite like. So we'll see if it continues into the 7 o'clock hour. Let's look at these actually. Pound USD push up, pound CAD I think pushed up, yeah. Euro USD, nice little push up to finish. Damn, even gold had it. Silver too, yeah, silver not as much. Wonder if GJ hit his mark. Not yet, but it probably will. It's a Roger trade. How's this 4 hour close? 4 hour close, pretty bullish. It's still in this range though. That's one thing that's turning me away from it. I'll see how it reacts to this upper level per se, but we'll see how it reacts to the upper level. Excuse me. Site editing is quite difficult. We'll fix it though. I think there has to be some way to fix it for sure. Damn, wonder where Chad is. I think he fell asleep again. Oh no, there he is. Let me invite him. Look at all these trades again. Quick analysis. Yeah, like I said, the metals are going to be in this range until Fed announcement, and then you're going to get some volatility in that. USD CAD, the 4-hour just opened. There's no top wick right now, so this might just be the pullback for it to push higher. For the 4-hour wick, that's one thing I'm expecting with that. Pound USD is shooting up. It's bullish, very bullish. Pound CAD kind of just stuck in there. I guess it's because one pair is going up, one pair is going down. Whoops. Euro USD, yeah, that popped up a little bit too. Dollar index down. Oil's going down though. That means the US Canadian dollar should get a little bit weaker, but we'll see how that turns out. Once again, I'm gonna move this arrow so we can actually see price action. Yeah, it did break below the previous hour. That's right. But it is the start of the new 4-hour, and usually there's a top wick, so maybe within like around like 8-9 o'clock we can see that top wick form. Even if it hits the resistance at 70 or 75, those are areas I'll look at attention, but we'll see. Maybe third time's the charm with this USD CAD trade. Oh, I think I know how to fix this About Us page. You know, when I get this about us page done, I'll have more talking and content. Just give me a moment. Thing with me is when I see something that needs to be done, it gotta be done. Gotta get fixed. That's what I'm trying to do right now. And then I'll show you guys what I mean. Excuse me. Perfect. All right. Hopefully this is it. Layouts, change it. No, it ain't it yet. Weird. It's not really working. What the fuck? Damn, that's frustrating. Mhm. You know what? I'm gonna just keep it like this for now. The other editing and whatnot will come a little bit later. I think we need like a more wider picture. Right now we have yeah. I'm gonna keep it like this for now. The pictures got scuffed, so this is gonna have to do. I think we're gonna take new pictures later, maybe. I don't know. Show you guys what I mean. So it used to be that these types of pictures were just like a small picture here and a small picture here, but it got scuffed, so now it's like a wide picture. So we're gonna have to take like a wider shot eventually. So what I was trying to do is fix that, and now we're just gonna keep it like this for now. Pretty simple. Want to see more? See more? Kind of like that. Nice, easy, simple fix. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too stressful. Don't have to like beat my head into it. So I was starting to get a headache. No cap. But yeah, no, that works pretty good. USD CAD, yeah, I'm still pretty much break even on that. Like I said, the 4-hour doesn't have a top wick on it. That usually indicates that there within this 4-hour candlestick formation, there's going to be a bullish move up. When? I don't know. I actually like this bearish move down. Probably can get support created and then a push up. So I have a lenient stop. Pretty slow day though. Fed announcements is at 12 once again. So we'll see how that turns out. And honestly, I might end the stream around like 8. So we'll see how that goes. And I'll maybe have a Fed stream around like 12. But I'll be right back real quick. And I'm back. Honestly, we might see a move around like 8:30 for this. I think like 8:30, I'll probably stop stream after the what's it called, the crude oil inventories. That should push the price higher or lower. So we'll see how that goes. Still gotta figure out how to fix this about us page. I'm not satisfied with it yet, but everything's fixable. but we'll do that another day. All right. But to anyone tuning in, probably just Chad. Say he's listening. Going to, one moment, gonna have the website up in September. Probably start our social media then too. Kind of have that going, and yeah, kind of get more traction there. Right now we kind of want the track record to be better and to be more consistent. So we're gunning for. That's why we have these live streams and daily recaps. Everything. The YouTube channel is actually gaining some traction. We had quite a bit of viewers last week. Website, still working on it, but it'll get done. Have a lot of content information we want to get done there. Behavioral finance basically done, except for the 3 sub pages. Those 3 sub pages are going to be actually pretty fun to write. I'm pretty excited to write those. Trading basics. It's still a work in progress. We have the content or like the notes we want to talk about in there. Investing basics almost done, just sub pages there too. So it's coming along together nicely. Then obviously we're gonna have the blog for all 3 of those pages coming in, but yeah, hold up. This thing is in the red right now. Based off the 5 minutes, just pulling back a little. It's kind of slow movement down. Just something I kind of like the 50-minute closed doji too, pretty good. That slow movement down indicates it's gonna be a range day, and like I said when I first came on the stream, it seems like it's gonna be a range day until the Fed announcement, and it seems like the Fed announcement is gonna be the real driver of Forex today, including the pairs. Yeah, see, this is gonna go back into the range now. You have the high created, and now it's probably gonna retest the lows here. So that's like another 40 pip move. Was that 58? You could probably get up to like 55, 30 pips on that. Same thing here too. Well, this is a smaller range, but like, yeah, you're only gonna get like 7 cents on that move over there. We'll see if it plays out. Usually on Fed news days, you do have a range like this. That'll probably happen to 11:30. And now we could see the range is getting tighter and tighter. So if we move it just to New York session, we can see the range is something like that right now for gold. I mean, you could play the range. I have played the range during Fed days. It's slow, boring. Sometimes it shakes you out, and then it ends up going your way. It's tough, I'll tell you that much. Not an easy thing to play for that. We'll see how this one goes. USD CAD. 3-minute opened with a little drop. Like I said, the 8:30, 8 o'clock candle, 8:30 candle should push it a little bit higher. That's the one thing I'm expecting. That's what happened yesterday too. That's when I got in yesterday. We had the same movement. We had some bearish formation. I got in at 7 o'clock and then got out literally at the top over here. When I saw rejection on the 8 o'clock candle, I got out at the 8:30 candle. Then you could see it went down because that was the level at like 134 area. Do you think the probabilities are in my favor? We have the stop loss in place. We have everything in place. So see how it goes. Can we go back to the other Fed announcement day? What was that? I'll show you guys what happened that day. That was just a wild day. June 10th was the day. So let's go all the way to June 10th. Oh yeah, you see this right here? You have kind of a range going in, and then boom, big drop, steep sell off, and then a continued rise up. That was on June 10th. Thing is, right after the Fed announcement, for a couple days, it went up like what, 200, 300 pips. That's pretty insane for the rest of the week. Might even get the same type of movement today, perhaps, but we'll see how that goes. I think that happened on every chart. Like if we go to gold, when gold was all the way down here on June 10th. Yeah, you see? Wick down, pushed up. And then it continued to go. Even after this wick, if you entered after, you waited, that's about another 200 pips there. And that's like intraday too. That's not waiting a few days. That's just right away that happened. I might as well look at pound USD, what happened there. I think pound USD did the opposite. Yeah, it went up and then shot down. Euro USD, I think that did the same thing. Went up, shot down. Oh no, Euro USD down. Yeah, that was very weird. No real direction for that. Oof. Look at that candle. But like I said, anything below this area is going to be a sell. Anything above will be a buy. So I think we'll wait and see how that reacts over there at those prices. This is going to be in a range. I'm like 100% sure it's going to go back down in the range. Because, yeah, it looks like a bullish formation now, but just considering it's like pre-Fed, there's a lot of computer trading, not a lot of humans. Humans waiting for that impulsive move or like the actual catalyst to push the price. So we'll see how that goes. I think the US dollar, yeah, US dollar is tanking right now too. The US dollar has been tanking for a while. Devaluation of the greenback, as they call it. Pound USD. How's GJ doing? Damn, GJ's gonna hit that 60 area within the next hour or so. See that rejection, another rejection at this area. It's one thing I like. You know what? Considering it's Fed day, if it gets back to break even, I think I'm gonna get out and wait for the Fed announcement at 12. Because it just doesn't seem like a lot of volume or anything right now. It just seems very, very methodical and very computerized trading. The real move was on pound Japan, I guess, when Raj was trading. Even pound USD. Did that go up? Yeah, that went up about like 20 pips. No. Euro USD went up too, but I didn't see a buy on this yet. I was more inclined to take a buy after this candle, but NBA returns tomorrow. Shout out to the NBA and the bubble that works. Good thing about this is there's still no upper wick on the 4 hour. The thing with this is another aspect of this is the wick has to break below, and that's the one thing I'm looking at. This arrow drawn here, if it breaks below that arrow, then yeah, then my trade's nullified in my opinion. But other than that, I think we have a good chance for a reversal. Like, I mean, even look at that June 10th, same thing happened. This is the same price as June 10th, eh? Wow. I just noticed that June 10th, you had this wick down all the way here. So yeah, that's one thing I'm gonna be looking at. I guess 7 o'clock, yeah, that push up, and then 11 o'clock, yeah, that volatility move down. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get out at break even right now. It gets back up there. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get out break even and then come back during when there's actual volume into the markets at times at 12 o'clock, so 2 p.m. Eastern. Take it easy, enjoy the day. So yeah, I mean, seems like a pretty chill, slow day right now. And yes, I'm not too worried about this trade. The wick down again. There's just rejections like crazy around this level. But like June 10th, as we could quickly see on the 4 hour, what happened June 10th? You had this big liquidity grab, wick down, and then a push up. So we might get the same thing again back into this range area over here. So I have these arrows drawn. That's the one thing I'm gonna look for going into the 11 o'clock 4 hour candlestick hour. But yeah, I think the biggest thing is gonna be patience. When the Fed news comes out, be patient with it. Because even if I like go to lower time frames, and let me go all the way to June 10th again. So we get the 30-minute finish. Where is it? How did it happen? So 12 o'clock finish bearish, 12:30 bullish, 1 o'clock bearish, and then 1:30. After that, it was a steady rise up. See, that's why it's hard to trade news. It's just, it brings volume, yes, that is true. You get these formations. I guess when you get this reversal type formation you enter, you wait till 12 o'clock, push down, and then yeah, 12:15, 12:30 right there. But you gotta wait for those reversal patterns to actually set up. Look at this 15-minute candle. Wow. Closes in 3 minutes, but nice little push up. Wowie. 1 hour still no top wick, 4 hours still no top wick, so feeling pretty good about it. So we'll see how that goes. Pound USD tanked? Oh, it did tank. I guess that 130 area. I called 130 earlier on Saturday on the analysis video. If anyone tunes into that, said the 130 area would be a pretty heavy psychological resistance area. Seems to have respected that. And wow, look at that. Call on gold. Damn, I should have shorted this shit. You trust my analysis on this type of day. 60, yeah, that's 100 pips right there. Wow. I think I'm gonna trade more gold next week again. More gold, more silver next week. That was a pretty good call by me. If you like that call, give a like on the stream. Said it was gonna go back into the range. We're in this tight range. It always happens. Pre-Fed this range. Now if we go back to June 10th, there's another reference point. Good little lesson, educational tidbit. I better not have moved that. Do that, okay. Educational tidbit. June 10th. Range, push up, back down into the range, hit support, and then boom. Imagine if you just bought from here and held it from Fed news to Fed news. Damn, that would have been nice. Oh wow, this thing's about to flip bullish, eh? I don't even know that. 15-minute flip bullish, that's crazy. That's actually crazy. I wasn't expecting that, to be honest. But like I said, I do think the 4 hour needs a tuple. Needs an upper wick. I'm gonna see how it reacts around like 70, 75 area. Maybe get out there and then use that profit to kind of leverage the attack on the Fed trade coming up later. But like I said, it has to break 70, break that high. I think that's a 4 hourly high up here. The open was around 67. So yeah, we'll have to wait and see for that. Who plays on Thursday? Ooh, Utah versus New Orleans, Clippers versus Lakers. Damn, NBA got games from like morning till night. That's gonna be exciting. Eight to 8:30. I do think it'll go back into the range for Fed news. So I do think I'm gonna get out and profit at the level up here marked. So yeah, it ain't gonna be a 1-for-1 trade, but it is what it is. Don't be hating. Profits are profits, right? If you're securing profits, can't be hating on that. Yeah, just because look at this 4 hour liquidity grab. If it breaks 70, 71 previous 4 hour high, it's gonna get to like the 75 area and then potentially push higher. But like I said, I mean, even if I get 10 pips on this trade, I'll be pretty happy, just for the fact that there is Fed. Keep saying it, but Fed news is pretty important, let's be honest. Damn, I have to redraw levels on this thing, don't I? With the new levels into it. Why are there two here? Why did I do that? Maybe it's on the daily? Nah, daily has no levels right now. Oh, that's a weekly. Yeah, even weekly and daily has no levels on this right now. Well, I mean, now you got a 1960. That's a pretty good level. I say so myself. Put this at 1960. Yeah, I guess while we wait for a USD cat. Oh, look at that. I see the price and it's going my way now. I'm back in profits. Back in business, baby. Oh, I'll go 45.50. Oh, not that high. Whoops. Imagine if gold was 51,000. Holy shit. The world will be ending. This one's going to be 1932, I think it is. Seems reasonable, sensible level. So, hours. What's a 4-hourly? Yeah, I mean, these lower levels are going to be tough. I feel like when it starts breaking down, it'll start breaking down pretty hard. Why are these two levels so close to each other? Sorry, man. I'm going to delete this one, actually. I like it. I'm making this box bigger. 99. 97. Making this thing 97 or 98. Oops. 1899. 1897. Yeah, and I think for the lower levels, moment, please. Whoops, why am I doing that big? So we're at 1960, and we put 61 and 59. There we go, and there we go. There we go. Okay. What's this one? 45.50? Yeah, I think I put it 45.50. Double check. $46.50 and 44. I like giving it like a $2 range. Kind of helps for your take profits or even stop losses. Gives you a better idea of where it could potentially go. 31 and 33. Whoa, not, yeah. 19,000. There we go. Look how clean it is now, eh? You just play between levels, buy above, whatever that is. 1960. Anything above 1960, you're gonna get to 2K probably. And then, yeah, anything below, just play between levels. This is a huge. I remember this sell-off happening at night, and it was wild. I don't know if I consider this a level right now, but I do feel like anything below this 1931 level, you're gonna get down here. So anything within this range, but the thing is, like, this range is just weird at that point. I don't know. Price is that's from yesterday, isn't it? So I guess it is this big wick down right here. Kind of sell off. Yeah, I guess when you break below the wick, or if it starts going below the body of the previous day candle, then yeah, you're gonna get a little sell off. But other than that, you don't really like force any reversals or tops on gold, because then gold could just kill you, right? Eventually, I do think break 1930, you're gonna get a wick fill, and that's it. That's gonna be one of the trades I'll look at, because that's still a good 150 pips on that trade. But I'm just planning this out for next week. It was just very volatile. I did get a few trades on it off stream, so yeah, we'll see how that goes. And look at this candlestick. Wow, that almost flipped bullish, the hourly. This is why you trust your analysis, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, my open risk reward 2.73. In reality, my risk reward gonna be 0.5 to 1, but it is what it is. I think I'm gonna get out at that trade. call it a day, and I have my reasonings for that as well. So how I could have made this trade better is I think I could have waited for that wick, that big liquidity grab wick. I think if I waited for that, I would have had a better price. But then I would have still had that same thought process that it is before the Fed news and we're going to see some volatility into it. And the true move will come post Fed news, in my opinion. But we'll see how that turns out. And we'll get a move around like 8:30 as well. I'm still expecting to see a top wick on the hourly, and well, not on the hourly, but on the 4-hourly for sure. 4-hourly, I'm expecting to see a top wick before 11 o'clock. But we'll see. One minute's just wild, isn't it? 1 minute you could scalp with 5 pips on the 1 minute every time. That's how Jeevan trades Jeff Hyrie, fundamental god. That's how he trades on the 1 minute. I guess that's his 1 minute scalping strategy. Breaks a certain support that's been formed on the lower time frame and then retest and then boom, trades it. But yeah, I think we wait. Be patient. Stream's gonna be done at 8:30 again. Yeah, what is that rejection on pound CAD? 5 more minutes on the hour close. Now this is a doji. That's one thing I like. Indecision candle, no real direction yet. Ooh, it's going down. Never mind. Talk shit too soon. It hurt me. That was a nice push down. So it looks like there is some bearish momentum on that. But 4 hours still don't have a top wick. So we'll see how that goes. Weird candlestick formations for sure. 2 more minutes left. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Maybe when I said I was gonna go break even, I should just went break even. Went to bed. Wake up a little bit later, trade that. But nah. Trust your analysis. How big was this wick? Hold up. Was that 80 pip wick? Holy, oh yeah, it did tap 133, didn't it? 133.17. That was the level. Damn. Keep an eye out for that for sure. For gold too, if it breaks above, then yeah. Or even if like, let's go back. Where's the June 10th? As like a wick down on the liquidity graph. Oh, that's June 6th, 26th. 17th. If it's like a wick down on the liquidity graph, that would be a good point to enter. But once again, we'll wait and see. Goes that silver react on June 10th? Probably didn't do too much. Yeah, 50 cents back in the day. That was still a pretty good move on silver. Eight o'clock hour open. Home sales data. Good data. Home sales up 16.6% month over month for the US. Pretty good data in my opinion. Honestly, don't be surprised if this corrects most of the move. Like for real. That's how it moves. And I've been watching it for the past little while. I could tell you that's how it moves really. And that's exactly what it's doing right now. So nothing can push the US dollar up, eh? Everyone's just trying to sell off the US dollar. Now this, don't be surprised if it hits like 1950 again and then pushes back up to like 1960 area on gold. Keeps it within this range pre-Fed news, and then post-Fed news, maybe like 10, 20, 30 minutes after, you'll see the real direction on gold. Other than that, nothing. Think I'm gonna wait for crude oil inventories, and then after crude oil inventory is gonna log off. Oh, look at that, US 30 with a little pop up. Man, I think we're gonna get a sell off again. Little doji, yeah, we're gonna get another sell off eventually here. Not this steep at all. Not 35%, but I could see like a nice 1600 points sell off eventually, 6%. Yeah, these days were wild. Look at these candles. Boom. You know how many halts they had in the market? It was insane. Everything was halted. Kept getting halted too. So what is a halt? Maybe let's go on that. So I think there's breakers now ever since flash crashes and high frequency trading, computer algorithms trading, where if the price of the market drops 7, 11, and I think 13 or 15%, then they would have a halt on the market. So what is this? Not there. I think it was this day. Yeah, you see how it drops 11% on that day? That 11% drop, first they have a breaker going off at 7%. When it hits 7%, stock market's halted, no more trading. Get things back to normal, less fear, less panic, less selling in the market. But as you can see, it hit the 11% and it was halted twice in that day, halted twice on March 16th as well. So after those days, was it halted on June 11th? Oh, June 11th was post-Fed day too, hey? Interesting. Very interesting. Might get the same thing as the time in June. What happened? This kind of sell-off. I do feel like we might get another sell-off. Obviously, Powell's going to try hyping up the economy, but the facts is that the economy isn't necessarily in perfect condition or where it's supposed to be in general. So we'll see how that goes. Damn, yeah, I should have listened earlier. Got out of break even. It is what it is. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? Hi, Captain Hindsight. Oh, man. Gonna wait for crude oil inventories before even thinking about exiting it. Unless it breaks this level, then yeah, I gotta exit it. Sorry, I got an email. Gotta get to real quick. But yeah, no, just based off this 30-minute candle too, I think we're gonna like a little push up. Even if it's like 133.60 area, I think I'll get it out around there. 133.58, 133.60. Take a quick L. Quick mini L. But risk is controlled, right? Might have an average down position, get out. Maybe I could be break even. Yeah, fuck it. I averaged down at 46. I left room to average down anyways. So I got in at 46 right now. So right now I'm in at 46 and 62, bringing my average to 54. So I think, yeah, 54 to 58 around that area, 54 to 60, will punch out. Sorry, I'm just I got an email I gotta get back to real quick, and then I'll get back to this analysis. I'm gonna start this. Right, we're back in business. So once again, average is at 54 with commissions around like 55, 58, 60 area we'll be getting out. Might come with crude oil inventories, see how that reacts. The US dollar is really weak. That's unfortunate. But it is Fed News Day, and I do believe we're staying in a range. Like, this is easily going to hit 57, guaranteed. Guaranteed 57 minimum, even 58. 57 to 58 from this price here, 57 to 58, pretty easy. Tomorrow's going to be a nice trend though, I'll tell you that much. It's going to go in the direction that the Fed News created today, and we're going to follow that direction for tomorrow. But yeah, no, I think we just wait and see what happens with this trade, right? I didn't get anything on silver. 10 cents, yeah, maybe. Man, I should have punched it at 10, 21.10 or 24.10. Yeah. If I was watching it, been too fixated on this USD CAD trade, kind of moving away from my commodities or metals, precious metals. Guess that's the downfall of watching it, eh? Being fixated on one, you kind of lose sight of the others. Yeah, I'm gonna get out at 58. Got my TPs at 58. Cover commission and with a little bit of profit. Kind of go relax for us today. I like how the 15 minutes form in, kind of like rejecting the lower end here. Oh wait, it's on the 30. Yeah, 15 minute kind of rejecting this lower end level. Do expect to see a little push up, maybe even hit 60, but see how that goes. I'm gonna write it on here too, actually. 30 minute. I have to put this on the blog. Let's go to the hour. Yeah, there we go. This is my trade management style. Trade management. So we had the original entry at 1.3362 with room to average on another entry. Average, or yeah, I gotta call it average down at 1.3346 for an average price of 1.3354. Now this makes the trade easier to get out at break even minimum or even a few pips in profit. Looking to exit at 1.3358. Stop is still the same below the 40 level. There we go. So technically from my second position, that stop is only like 6-7 pips. But for my first position, the average price is lower, so the break even makes it easier to get, in my opinion. It makes it like psychologically easier for me. The strategy usually works for me if I want to get out at a certain price. There we go. There we go. Trade management. And I'm gonna put this arrow right here. There we go. The trade management side of the trade, and that's one thing we are gonna try to enforce in our education, is how to manage your trades. And damn, I guess I was wrong on this. Maybe it hit the 45 level, but yo, you know what? I think it goes up from this level too. I'm not gonna enter it now though. It's kind of bearish. You don't want to enter on bearish candlesticks. You want to enter on bullish candlesticks. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, no, it's working out decent on USD CAD anyways. See, that was the one thing I was talking about too. Remember how I said long it at 53, test back above here? That's an 80 pip drop, even more. How much is that? 100 pip drop. That's one of the reasons I'm not doing gold right now. The same thing happened to me in March. If I wanted to play that range, I would enter, and then boom, some shit like that would happen, and then I'd be wiped out, and it'd be a tough grind. And then you go into a bad psychological state of trading, and you need to be in a good psychological state of mind. It's trading psychology. But yeah, no, we'll see how this trade turns out on USD CAD. It looks good. Like how this 30-minute might form. Got 13 minutes left in it. 15 minute had the doji. This next 15 minutes opening bullish. Go back to the hour. There we go. Thing with this is there's a high probability we coming into this little wedge. No, not that. We're in this little wedge formation happening right now. Yeah, I got the lower line there. So yeah, we're in this little wedge. So we still have 4 hours till Fen used, and I do think we're gonna reach the top or our upper end of the wedge. I think we just gotta be patient with it. It'll play out. Yeah, and then I think I'll be on at 12. I will be on at 12, 100%. I want to be on at 12. Last Chan. All right, I'll be on for a special stream at 12 o'clock. Little Fed stream. FOMC minutes, and I'll show you what I mean. We're gonna display some patience in it. We're gonna display some discipline. Display all the mental aspects of trading. What I call it on the website. Damn. Developmental skills. I didn't even look. Developmental skills. Display all the developmental skills you need for trading. Discipline, patience, consistency, everything. Damn, China be wild, and they sent like 300 ships to Galapagos. In Ecuador. They're just trying to take over the world over there, aren't they? Hong Kong, surrounding areas, spread the virus, take economic control, military control. Oh wow, that's about to hit. Let's go back to the trade here. See, respect this lower level. We're not gonna break 69 area. I can guarantee that. That's one thing I know we're not gonna do is break 69 today. But we could probably hit 60s in the hour, next hour for sure. I have my TP at 58. Get out for like a little bit profit, cover commissions, and then go take a nap. Got 8 minutes till the crude oil inventories. Got 5 pips till the TP. It's not bad at all. Ooh, come on. 3 more pips. Let's go. Let's go. Trade management. Range day, trade management. Reality, I should have waited. I think I entered too high on my first entry. I was in profit, to be fair, but I feel like there was going to be something like yesterday with that liquidity wick down as well. So 3 more pips and we good. 3 pips on my black bull. Still 3 pips away. Now this is a perfect example of trade management strategy I use. If I enter 50%, I leave the 50% to go down, average down a little bit, reduces the overall pip stop loss. And then it also helps you get back out at break even a lot easier. The probability of getting out at break even or even in a little bit of profit is higher. So we'll see, now it's 5 pips. But 15-minute, 30-minute closing bullish gives me higher confidence. 4 more minutes till the close. Oh, we'll get there. I'm not too worried. 3 more minutes till the 30-minute closes. How the other pairs looking? It's like pound USD sold off and Euro USD is just chilling. Doji at the top. Ooh, pound CAD. Nah, this looks like it's gonna go bearish for a little bit. Don't really want to trade. I feel like there's gonna be a lot of conflict pound CAD because I'll explain this part. So what happens with pound CAD? So if you have like something that really affects the US dollar, so Fed announcement, it's gonna move pound USD. So let's say US dollar is weak, pound USD is gonna shoot up. But then if US dollar is weak still, then that means USD CAD is gonna go down. So what happens to pound CAD? You're gonna get some bullshit like this. Exactly like that happened. You don't know which way it's gonna go, and there's gonna be a lot of volatility and a lot of misdirection, a lot of fake outs, and you're just gonna get messed up from it. That's why I trade in pound CAD during a US dollar news event is not really good, because the US dollar is gonna affect pound USD and USD CAD. So in that sense, kind of just stick away from it, because then you're just kind of throwing a dart at a dartboard trying to see where it goes. But yeah, no, USD CAD, pound USD, and Euro USD would be the ones to trade in my opinion. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. Yeah, you see how this 15-minute close bullish, also making the 30-minute close bullish as well. I feel like getting a nice little pop up, maybe a little wick down, then a pop up. Yeah, again, the hour respected this lower level. You're not gonna break this 70 level today. Well, pre-Fed news anyways, but now you have a good range. Anything above 70 is a buy, anything below this level is going to be a sell. And then to find the overall direction, you got to wait like 20-30 minutes, and then you find the overall direction post-Fed news, and that'll be the direction you kind of play with and go with. What I'm looking for is something similar to what happened on June 10th. I experienced that too. That was crazy. Look at that liquidity way down and then the push up. So if we get another push up like that, especially going into the end of the day, and with my analysis I've been saying from Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, and even today, I feel like we're gonna get a little push up, little retracement, even to 135 levels. Here we got it all the way to 136.50. I don't think we got that high, but I do feel like 135 could be reasonable at that point. So we'll see how that goes. All right, 30-minute close, 30-minute close bullish. This next 30-minute, nice little wick down. Little consolidation. Let's get the Forex factory right now. Oh, that was good news, I guess. Minus 10.6 production. Interesting. Does that push the price of oil? Yeah, it pushed the price of oil up a little bit. Should be good. My black bull just turned bullish on the 30-minute. So, 5 more pips. Maybe I should start doing daily recap on this, actually. Get a head start on that. This, ladies and gentlemen, is trade management, trusting the analysis. Oh, 2 pips away. 2 pips away. Let's go. Blog. Yep, we're gonna blog it. Did it hit? Did it? Nope. 2 pips away still. Damn, that's exciting. Whoops. 29, 2020. Whoops. Let me keep this in there. Did it hit? Oh, 0.02 pips away. Oh, this asshole. Not cool. Not cool at all. Whatever. Save this image as July 29.
Olives had a major run. Maraschino cherries, major run. No one had a run like mine.
5-minute look. Yeah, no, he's still good. Damn it, Black Bull. Messed me up on this shit. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's my own fault. Yeah, let me get to this post. Forex, USD CAD, trade reasoning. wow, this gold thing actually played out. Damn, I knew how gold was gonna move today. Should have played it. Should have played it. I had this short call from year to year, and then this long call. That long call would have been nice too. Silver did the same thing, didn't it? 24. Whoops. 15-cent move. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Pound USD, pound CAD, Euro USD, dollar index. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Well, yeah, there we go. I think I'm done for the day today. Call it right now. Go take a nap. I'll be on at 12 for a Fed stream. Hope y'all enjoyed that day. It wasn't really a big profitable trade day, but we showed how to manage risk, show the trade management strategy that we had going on here. So if you enjoyed that trade management, please leave a like on the stream. You know, subscribe, all the good stuff. But other than that, we'll catch you in a few hours for a special Fed stream. Don't overtrade.